You are not. Oh crap, I have to climb on this now. Holy crap. Listen to me. In the corners of the lamppost are like screw things. You have to unscrew them and then take the light bulb out. For YouTube! I'm scared.
It'd be mean if I just pushed you, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And I do believe it's only the two.
It's frozen!
It is.
Yeah. It's frozen.
Is it cold?
Yeah. Oh, please don't fall. Oh man, I'm getting. Can you go get something for me?
Like what? Some pants?
No, I got pants on.
Alright, if it's frozen, it's not gonna work, then no, don't worry about it.
No!
Careful, careful.
Fall back, I dare you.
No, you'll hit the car.
We'll fall forward then. Well, this way.
Oh, Jesus, in my shoe!